and today I'm making a bookmark. And for it you're going to use a piece of paper. You need UHG glue, 2 googly eyes, 1 stick of glue, scissors and a piece of red square paper. So first I'm going to cut the outline of the bookmark. As you can see, I'm done cutting the bookmark. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this of this and flip it to here and press it with your palm. Now you have to take the other side and flip it the same side as you did it now. Now, you have to open it and take the red paper and stick it over here. Stick it in the middle of it. Then do it as it was. And as you can see, it is the tongue of it. Now, I'm going to put the glue inside here so that it could not get opened. This is finished, so I'm going to use the UHG glue. And then stick it. Press it with your palms very nicely. Then you have to put on the googly eyes with the UHG glue. You just have to put a drop . And now I have this piece of white paper which is cut down a teeth, and I'm just going to take the UHG glue and put it on the tip of it and just spread it with my finger. And now I'm going to put it inside here, inside of the middle. And I press it very nicely. And then I'm going to open it. And as you can see, I have this cute little bookmark. And here I have a book. And you can even, if you're reading or studying a book and you forgot the page, you can keep the bookmark in it, like this. See? If you like this video, and I want to show you that I have made 3 of them different. One is this one, and then I have this cute little panda, and a cute little queen. I'll show you it here. Take this out. Here. See? Isn't it cute? and even the panda one. See? So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it.